Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to add a new page to your Wix website in just a few clicks. Once you're in the Wix editor, look on the left side and click menu and page here. As you can see, this is where all your site's page are listed. From here, click plus add page here. This instantly create a new blank page. You can rename the page to whatever you want. For example, I will type collection, and then you can see after clicking done, you can customize like this page however you like. You add text, images, sections, or anything else using the Wix editor tools. If you want this new page in your site's main menu, it's already added automatically, but you can rearrange or hide it anytime under menu and pages. And that's it. You have successfully added a brand new page to your Wix website. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more quick tutorials on the channel.